So, who am I with?
Yo, Dave. I'm just Dave.
Okay, we have Dave on the show today,
Yeah.
and let's see. Today we're going to be talking about iPhone tips and tricks. Those little iPhone hacks that we guess a few iPhone users don't use often,
Okay.
and we're going to be bouncing it off. So I believe Dave here is a tech guy. He's an iPhone user, and he's one of the iPhone users who actually use it beyond taking pictures and all that stuff. So we have like a few iPhone tips and tricks, just 6 of them, and we're going to be bouncing them
Yeah.
off each other. So he's going to be starting. Like one of the major issues that faces iPhone users as opposed to Android users is restarting. Many people don't restart their iPhones, and I don't even know if that's possible. So do you like have a hack?
Yeah, it depends. Sometimes you could restart your phone without even there's a way you could restart your phone without even tapping the screen, and that's very useful in case if probably your phone freezes, because Apple is very funny. It's a very funny brand, honestly. Sometimes your phone might just freeze, your iPhone especially might just freeze. You won't be able to touch it, it won't be able to like be sensitive. The screen will be won't be sensitive. So the way the technique you use to like reset the phone at that point is it's called hard reset. So you forcefully reset the phone without tapping the screen.
Yeah.
What you need to do is just press the volume button, up volume button, then down volume button, then press and hold the power button. It's going to you press and hold the power button till you see the Apple logo. So it's going to pop up an Apple logo. That's when you're going to release the power button.
Okay.
Then at that point, the phone already has done the hard reset. And in case of any bugs that the phone might be expressing, to clear the bugs. So that's it.
That's nice. That sounds nice.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, and it is quite useful because that has happened to me a couple of
Yeah, it has
times and
happened
I
to me.
didn't know. I'm going to be taking the back tap feature.
Okay.
Now, many people may not know this, but you can tap your iPhone logo 2 or 3 times and you can perform an action. And now to set up this back tap feature, you go into settings, go into assistive touch, and then touch. You see the touch icon there, written touch, and then you scroll down to the bottom where you see back tap. It's going to be on none. When you go into back tap, you're going to see options for double tap and triple tap. Now you can customize these tabs to do anything. You can customize the tab to take a screenshot, customize it to turn on your flashlight, turn off your lock screen, go to a certain app, open your camera app. Now this can be set and it works. It is an old feature. It works on iPhones that have glass back, I'm sure. So any iPhone with a glass back, I believe you have this feature. And although previously when I tried it, it was a little buggy. It turns out people do mistakenly tap the back of their phones.
Yeah.
And someone on Snapchat told me that I took a screenshot.
Really?
Yeah, it's just showing your Snapchat that you took a screenshot because you didn't know when you double tap. But most of the time it was useful. So I tried again now and it's not that buggy anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the back tap feature. Okay, one from you.
I'll talk about the guided access feature. This feature, it's not that popular, but then it's a feature that enables you to be in a certain app in your phone, and your phone won't permit the user to leave that app.
Okay.
So it works probably in the sense that you want to give your phone to someone to do something in a particular app, and you wouldn't want the person to like leave that app because you don't trust the person enough to leave give you your phone. Exactly. People are paranoid with their phone, I know.
Yeah.
So that's the guided access feature is in settings. Yeah. So go to settings, go to I think general. No, just search it. Search it. Guided access, you see it. Then most defaultly it's off.
Yeah.
So you turn it on, they request for a password for you to be able to activate it.
Or Face ID.
Or Face ID, yeah, password or Face ID. But you must say a password.
Yeah.
You get, because password is like primary second to Face ID.
Yeah.
Then yeah, that's it. If you want to activate it, you triple tap your power button.
Okay.
It will bring out a prompt that says you want to start up guided access. You start. You fill in your password you put in your settings. Then that's about that.
That works.
Yeah.
That's really cool. Multiple features assigned to one button. Okay, so I've taken another tip. This one is an easy tip. Almost any app, any thing you press and hold on an iPhone has a menu.
Yeah.
Like how you right click on a laptop and it brings out options.
Yeah.
These options exist. Like in your control panel, you could right click you could press and hold your timer.
Yeah.
Instead of pressing timer, going into the app and fiddling around, press and hold the timer, scroll down to the number of minutes or seconds you need and start your timer. That's much faster. You can press and hold your voice memos to replay and hold memo. Press and hold your calculator panel icon to copy your last calculation result. Press and hold Shazam to see your last recorded song, your last Shazam song.
Even the touch, you press and hold to
exactly. You can press and hold your touch. This feature has been there for a very long time.
Most people don't know about it.
Exactly. People don't explore. But I believe people will explore more after this video. So you press and hold your touch to reduce the brightness or increase the brightness. This is helpful in different situations. So before we go into the last tip, trick, do you have anything to say? Like people's usage of iPhones? What do you have to say about that?
Your phones.
Yeah.
Between a scale of 1 to 10, I feel most people don't really know how to use their phone, and I would give them like a 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10. Okay. So in what ways do you think people don't know how to use their iPhones?
Like basically things like charging of the phone.
Okay.
Most people don't know how to charge their phone properly.
Okay.
Let's take for instance, you charging an iPhone. You're not supposed to charge an iPhone to 100%.
Okay.
Like you get.
Yeah, we get.
A good percentage to charge your iPhone to is 85 to 90, maximum of 90%.
Okay.
So leaving your phone at 100% throughout the night will kill the battery health.
Okay.
That's one way you kill your phone and damage your phone.
Wow. That means a lot of us haven't been using our iPhones, right?
Sure.
Really?
And it's bad because at the end of the day, it's we sellers that get the whole. Because I sell gadgets, so it's we sellers that get the whole complaint.
Okay.
Then it's just you not knowing how to use your phone properly.
Okay.
And that's why we're making this video.
Okay, so thank you for watching thus far. Now you mentioned earlier that you're a seller.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you say you're a seller, go into detail.
Yeah, not just iPhones. I sell Androids, accessories, speakers, laptops, workstations.
Okay.
Like workstation setup. I know for like techies. I know just everything techie. That's why.
Okay. Now I see the name. Okay, DaveTechie.
Yeah.
Okay, now that's it.
Yeah.
Okay. It would be nice to follow and subscribe at anywhere you see fit.
Yeah.
You can follow and subscribe to DaveTechie, Niftech. Same on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Anywhere you find us, just follow. See you next time.
Thank you very much.